Now I am going to show you how the Photoshop Background Eraser L tool works. You might have noticed that when you open an image in Photoshop, it creates a layer which is locked and generally sits in the background. To start working or editing it, you have to unlock the layer first. Coming to the procedure, pick the eraser tool and drag it over the areas you want to remove. Wherever you drag the tool, it will remove those areas by sampling the color beneath the target symbol. Target symbol denotes the area where the pixels will be removed from. It is encircled with large circle, and any pixels located under the target symbol when match the color of the pixels are erased by the background eraser tool. When you start removing the areas, it might happen that any other area you don't want to remove gets erased accidentally. If it happens, press Ctrl+Z to undo, and if there are more undos, press Ctrl+Alt+Z to go back to the step where you did the mistake. Now start erasing once again with the same method.